Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Homesearch for listing alerts that match criteria. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Homesearch for listing alerts that match your criteria, begin by visiting the Homesearch website. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up or Create an Account button and click on it. Fill in the required details including your name, email address, and password. After you've entered your information, review the terms and conditions and accept them. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Homesearch. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Search Preferences or Listing Alerts section within your account settings. Here, you will be able to input your specific criteria for the properties you are interested in. This may include factors such as location, price range, number of bedrooms, and other amenities. After entering your criteria, save your preferences. Now look for the option to set up alerts or notifications. Enable alerts to receive emails whenever a new listing matches your specified criteria. You may also want to customize the frequency of the alerts, such as daily or weekly. Finally, check your email settings to ensure that notifications are being delivered to your inbox. You are now set up to receive listing alerts from Homesearch that match your criteria. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.